In today's fast-paced world, high-pressure situations are an inevitable part of life. Whether it's a demanding job, tight deadline, or challenging personal circumstances, stress and pressure can take a toll on our mental and physical well-being. Fortunately, there are strategies that we can use to manage stress and stay motivated in high-pressure situations. Prioritize self-care. Self-care is essential for managing stress and staying motivated in high-pressure situations. Taking care of your physical and mental health can help you stay resilient and cope with the challenges that come your way. Some self-care strategies include exercising, getting enough sleep, eating healthy, practicing mindfulness or meditation, and engaging in activities that you enjoy. Break tasks into manageable pieces. When faced with a daunting task, it can be overwhelming to try to tackle it all at once. Breaking the task into smaller, manageable pieces can help you stay motivated and focused. Set achievable goals for each piece of the task and celebrate your progress along the way. Take breaks. Taking breaks throughout the day can help you recharge and stay focused. It's important to take breaks that truly allow you to disconnect and relax, whether it's taking a walk outside, listening to music, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Use positive self-talk. Negative self-talk can lead to feelings of self-doubt and anxiety. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations to help build your confidence and stay motivated. For example, instead of telling yourself "I can't do this," say "I'm capable and resourceful." Utilize time management techniques. Effective time management can help you prioritize tasks, reduce stress, and stay motivated. Some time management techniques include creating to-do lists, prioritizing tasks, delegating responsibilities, and using a calendar or planner to keep track of deadlines. Seek support. Don't be afraid to reach out for help or support when you need it. This can include seeking advice from a mentor or coach, confiding in a trusted friend or family member, or seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. In summary, managing stress and staying motivated in high-pressure situations requires a combination of self-care, time management, positive self-talk, and support. By implementing these strategies, you can maintain your well-being and achieve your goals, even in the most challenging of circumstances.